Yes, hi. I was calling in to report my internet being down. Yeah, I've already yes, I have already verified power and equipment. I've already restarted the modem. I've checked wiring and I paid my bill. Okay, thank you. And what's your ticket number? Oh, okay, just a moment. Let me grab a pen.
Thank you for calling.
Okay.
Your ticket number is
Okay.
245889.
All right.
Alpha Charlie Tango Sierra
Okay, is
2455. Shall I repeat that? If you are satisfied, please
okay.
hang up
Thank you.
and give us a call again later.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.